Welcome to 15-Minute English Drive. I'm Leo.
And I'm Debbie. Today, we dive straight into 12 essential words about packing for a trip. Let's go. I always pack too much, don't I?
You totally do. Let's play a game with our friends in the car.
Ooh, a game. What are the rules? I love games, you know this.
It's a vocabulary quiz about packing. I will describe something. You have to guess the word.
And you at home, shout the answer. Try to say it before Leo or I do. It's a race.
Yes, exactly. Don't worry about spelling right now. Just say the word out loud.
Okay, I'm ready. I think I'll win. I was an English teacher, remember?
Let's see. You begin. Give me your first one.
Okay, here we go. Before I put things in my bag, I put them on my bed. I want to see everything.
I see. I do this too. Is the answer putting clothes on the bed?
Close! It's a phrase. The answer is lay out clothes. LAYOUTCLOTHES.
Okay. So it means you place your clothes flat. You do this to plan your outfits.
That's it. You got it. I thought that might be a little tricky for you.
I always lay out clothes for the gym the night before. It saves me time in the morning.
That's a great idea. My cat biscuit always sits on my clothes. It's very funny.
That's cute. So drivers, did you get it? Next one, Debbie. Hit me.
All right, next one. I have a piece of paper. On it, I write shirt, socks, toothbrush.
Ooh, I know this. I need one of these. I always forget something without it.
Yes. What is it called? Come on, you know it. The listeners probably have it already.
It's a millimeter packing lister. PACKINGLIST. 2 words. I got it.
You did? ʻlʌɡɪdʒ, packing list, is a list of things you need to put in your bag for a trip.
My sister Mia makes a packing lister on her phone. She is very organized, you know.
I use a real pen and paper. I like checking things off. It feels so good to do.
Me too. Ticking a box is the best feeling. Are you ready for your last one for me?
Okay, last one for you. This is a verb. It is the main action of putting things into your suitcase.
This one is easy. I feel good about this. I think everyone in their car knows this.
Don't be too confident. What's the word? The pressure is on, Leo.
The word is pagwam. Quatrabacwan. PACK. Simple. I knew that one for sure.
Yes, that's right. To pack means to put your clothes and other things into a bag for travel.
I hate to wear a ʻlʌɡɪdʒ. I always do it at the last minute. It's so stressful for me.
I love it. I enjoy getting everything ready. It makes the trip feel real for me.
That's so different from me. My turn now. I will ask you some questions. Are you ready?
I am ready. I have been warming up. Let's hear your first description, Leo.
Okay. This is a big hard box with a handle and wheels. You put your clothes inside it.
Oh, an easy one to start. I have a pink one. Is it a bag?
Be more specific. What kind of bag is it? It's the most common one for a big trip.
It's a suitcase. SUITCASE. You almost tricked me there, but I got it.
Nice one. A large suitcase is a large rectangular bag with a handle for carrying clothes on a trip.
My first aunt's suitcase was a gift from my parents. I took it on a school trip to France.
That's cool. I have a blue one. It matches my car. I am very stylish.
Ha! A blue car and a blue suitcase. Very coordinated. What's your next one?
Okay, listen carefully. This is what you said you always do. You put too many things in your bag.
Oh, you are using my own words against me. This is so unfair. I think I know.
The bag is very full. You can't close it easily. What is this verb?
The verb is overpack. OVERPACK. Yes, I do this all the time.
You got it. To overpack means to pack too many things. The bag becomes too heavy.
I always overpack shoes. I take about 5 pairs for a weekend trip. It's a problem.
5 pairs? Wow. I only take my gym shoes and one other pair. That is it.
Well, you need options. A good tip is to roll your clothes. It helps you not to overpack.
Good idea. My next question is my last one for you. All right, Debbie. This is a general word. It means all of your bags together. Suitcases, backpacks, everything.
A general word. The word for all the bags. This is a good one.
When you arrive at the airport, you go to a special place to get it. What is it?
I know it. It's what luggage. LUGGAJ. That was a great description.
Thanks. Yes. Luggage is the word for all the bags and suitcases you take on a trip.
I once lost my luggage in Amsterdam. It was a very bad start to my holiday.
Oh, no. That's the worst. My sister lost her luggage once, too. It arrived 2 days later.
That sounds stressful. My turn to quiz you again. Are you ready for 3 more?
I am ready. I had my morning coffee. My brain is working now.
Okay, coffee man. This is a bag you wear on your back. It has 2 straps for your shoulders.
Easy. Students use this for their books. I use one for my gym clothes.
Yes. I bet our listeners knew this one right away. What is it?
It's a backpack. B-I-C-K-P-I-C-K. One word. Got it.
Correct. A tie. Backpack is a bag you carry on your back. It is often used for school or hiking.
I always take my backpack when I fly. I keep my laptop and a book inside it.
Me too. It's much easier to carry than a shoulder bag. My back says thank you.
You are right. Next question from me. I'm feeling confident.
All right, let's see. This is the small bag you take with you on the airplane. You don't check it.
I see. It stays with you. You put it above your seat or under your seat.
Yes, exactly. There are 2 common names for it. The American one is probably easier for you.
I know this. It's your wanna carry on you. CARRY-ON. I got it.
It has a hyphen. Your carry-on Dakar is the small bag you take on the plane.
What's the other name? You said there was another one. Is it a British word?
Yes, in the UK we often say hand luggage. It means the same thing. Luggage for your hand.
Uh-huh. Hand luggage. Okay. I always put a snack in my carry-on. The traffic to the airport is always bad.
Good plan. I put my book and my tea bags in my hand luggage. I need my Earl Grey.
That's typical. Your last one for this round. Let's go.
Okay. This is one word for many small things. For example, your toothbrush, your shampoo, and your soap.
Right. All the things you use in the bathroom to keep clean. This is a long word.
It is a bit long. It can be tricky to spell. Take your time with it.
Is it? Toiletries one? Toiletries. Did I get that spelling right?
You did. Well done. Toiletries are the small items you use to wash yourself.
I always forget my toothbrush. I have to buy a new one every trip. It is really silly.
Oh no! I have a special small bag just for my toiletries. It helps me remember everything.
That's a good system. I should do that. My turn to ask the questions again. Final round.
Final round now? Let's finish strong. What have you got for me?
This word describes your small shampoo bottle. The one you take on the plane. It's not a big bottle.
Oh yes. They have to be under 100 milliliters. I know these very well.
What is the adjective? We say it is a something bottle.
It's a travel-sized. TRAVEL-SIZED. It means small for travel.
Perfect. Travel size just means it's made in a small size that is easy to take on a trip.
I love the little travel-sized toothpastes. They are so cute. My cat Biscuit likes them too.
Ha, I bet. I buy travel-size deodorant for my gym bag. It's very convenient.
Yes, it is. It saves a lot of space in your bag. A very useful word. Next question.
Okay, next one. This is the opposite of a carry-on. It's the big bag you give to the airline.
Ah, so this bag goes under the plane. You don't see it again until you land.
Exactly. You have to wait for it at the end of your flight. What is it called?
In America, you call it a checked bag. CHECKEDBAG.
Yes. A checked bag is a large piece of luggage you give to an airline to carry.
And in British English, we call it hold luggage, because it goes in the hold of the plane.
Oh, that makes sense. Hold luggage. I did not know that. I try not to have a checked bag.
Me too. It costs extra money. And you have to wait for it. It is so slow.
You are right. The waiting is the worst part. Last word of the quiz. Are you ready?
The last word. Let's do it. I hope it's a good one. I feel the pressure.
It's a verb. It's what you do when you get home from your trip. You take everything out of your suitcase.
Oh, my least favorite activity. I hate doing this. I leave my suitcase for days.
Ha, same for me. What is the word? The opposite of pack.
The opposite of pack is unpackty. UNPACK. That was a great final word.
Yes. To unpack means to take things out of a bag after a trip. You did it!
I always unpack my dirty clothes first. I put them straight into the washing machine.
That's smart. I just leave it all on my floor. My room is a mess for a week.
Oh, Leo. That sounds very messy. But we finished the quiz. Well done to you.
And well done, everyone. Let's do a quick final test. A lightning round. I give the meaning. You say the word.
Oh, I love this. Yes, let's do it. You at home, shout it out with me.
Putting too many things in your bag.
Overpack! That was an easy one for me. I am an expert at that.
A list of things to put in your bag.
Packing list! Ha! You hesitated there, listener, didn't you? Be honest with us.
The small bag you take on the plane.
Carry on. Or as I say, hand luggage. See, I remembered the American word.
Your toothbrush and shampoo.
Toiletries. That one is still hard to say quickly. It is a tricky word.
You got them all. Great job. I think it was a tie. We both did very well.
I agree. A tie is fair. And I hope you in the car got most of them right too.
Don't worry if you missed one or two. Language learning is a journey, you know.
Yes, that's a great point. The most important thing is that you tried and you learned something.
My sister Mia always says learning new words is hard, but she does a little bit every day.
That is the best way to do it. Just a little practice every day on your commute.
Exactly. Now I feel ready to pack for a trip, but I'm just driving home in traffic.
Ha! Same for me. I'm just sitting on the bus. But it was fun to dream about travel.
That is the end of today's 15-minute English drive. Great work listening all the way through.
New episode every day. Subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss one. Keep practicing, and we will see you tomorrow. Safe drive.